Welcome to the new weekly analysis with the Harmonic Scanner. Let's check the previous week how it has behaved. In the previous week analysis I have mentioned about this one, the Euro against SGD, where the bearish bat pattern has been formed on the market in this small downtrend. I have mentioned that this is a potential bat pattern, but I did not make the analysis because it was not in the very clear downtrend. And I have skipped this one, but I have left an option if you would like to have to see this, how this behaves, and also potentially trade it. You have your option. Now, if I go to the previous week analysis, we can see how this has looked, and where the price was, it was inside the potential reversal zone where the second take profit was around 1.44, and we see how this behaved. The price is returned back down, reached the second take profit, which means this bat pattern was successful. So based on the criteria I have used, which means the price is in the downtrend, making the bat pattern in line with the trend, this could be the first step to move forward and to make the analysis. Now for this week we can also check, is there any bat pattern has been formed on the market that is in line with the trend. Currently this is a range area, which means it's not good for the trading. Then let's see this one. This one is suggesting it is in the uptrend, so I will skip this one because it is a bearish bat pattern. It is against the trend. Let's check this one. We do not have a clear trend for this one. Let's check this one. It is in the downtrend. Okay, this could be a potential very good. Now we can see this one is SGD against CHF, so we can make the analysis. I will quickly make the analysis. For the details how to make the analysis, you can also check more videos inside the gold membership. If you would like to join, feel free to check that, but I will spend a few minutes to make the analysis, to make the technical analysis before moving forward. First one is to make the monthly time frame, support and resistance levels, to see where the price is bouncing. Now we'll make the trend lines on the daily analysis, on the daily time frame, sorry, to see where the price is moving. Okay, let's make another one. Okay, and put this one here also. And now let's make the supply demand zones around these areas. See where the price could move around this area here. Okay, and this one is here. Let's put another one. Okay, like this one, see where the price is bouncing. Okay. Let's check this one here and also this one. Okay. And let's put this one another here, just to see, to have a better picture where the price could stop and bounce. And this is it. Let's show the bad pattern, not this one here. Let's put this one on the style text black so we can see what is the level. Okay, now we can make the conclusion. Also, we can make the potential analysis. What we can see, currently the price is in the downtrend and the price has gone outside of this downtrend with a small uptrend formed right here on the daily time frame. The price reached the daily resistance at the entry point, which is 0.65, and the stop loss is the price stop loss is 0.66. So it is a monthly resistance level, so I would move this stop loss just a little bit, this one here, which is a monthly time frame resistance level, just to be on the safe side, because when the price was jumping and moving above, this means that the price did not reach the price above, sorry. So if the price reaches the area above this one, this will trigger stop loss, which means this bearish momentum has been cancelled completely. Now we have the first one this is the weekly support level right here at the target 1, so I would leave this one visible here, and the target 2 is just above this monthly support level, which is also great, and it is right here on the daily support, just a little above, which means if the price goes below this one, which is a support level on the daily time frame, the next level where the price could stop is this one here. This is the first area right here, so I would move the first target profit here just to be on the safe side, because when the price was moving down, the price each time reached this area here, which means 0.649. So if the price reached the first take profit, I would move stop loss to be a break even or slightly in profit, just in case if the price retraces and returns back in the opposite direction. If the price returns back in the opposite direction, you will get outside of the trade with a small profit, not being cancelled with a stop loss. Now, if the price goes down even more and the price closes below this support level, which means this is a weekly time frame, the next level where the price could stop is this area here first. This is the first profit. First level where the price could stop, and below that this is the second profit where the price could stop, and we can see this is the next one. So for now I would also move this one here slightly a little bit above, just to be on the safe side, which means 0.6436. So this is something that I would modify just to be on the safe side. Now if we go and see, this is the bat pattern with the risk reward 3.47. This movement I have just made could be 3.0, as a risk to reward. And because of this stop loss, I have moved a little bit above. This means also I have cancelled this 0.5 risk to reward ratio. It could be a little bit smaller, but it's very close to 3. So this is also a very good risk to reward ratio and when entering into the trade. Now let's see a stop loss, how possible it is. Now if we go to the monthly time frame, just a minute, let's move this one, we can see currently that the price in the downtrend. Let's see it here. It is in the downtrend. The price reached the support level and now it's bouncing back up. Now where the price currently is, we can see we have 2 more weeks until this month ends. So inside 2 weeks we should go to the weekly and the daily time frame to see much more clear information of where the price could move. But on this, what I can see, very important level for the price is this one here, which means 0.65. If we go to the weekly, we will see how this looks. We can see that the price dropped down, returned back up and closed with this bullish breakout where the price is moving up and it's reached this area, what is the first resistance level. Now this week has ended below, which means the price could not make a breakout to the upside, could not reach this one, but the price has bounced back down, which means 0.657 is very important on the weekly time frame. Now when the price reached this area here, we can see the price returned back down slightly with this area, this one, and when the price was moving down, the price reached the 0.651. For now, as it looks, the price has gone above 0.64, which is a very important resistance level, so I'm not expecting that the price could return below 0.646 easily on the weekly time frame. The price should return back down, close and make a breakout to the downside. Now these are very important levels on the weekly time frame. Now let's look how this look on the daily time frame. Just a minute. With this bad pattern, okay, and let's do it like this. Just a minute. No, it's not this one. This is the one. Okay. 0.65 is very important level and the price has bounced just right here. This would be also a pretty good entry level, which is a potential reversal zone, so this would be a very good information. Now what I have mentioned, it will be very hard for the price to return below 0.64, which means the first take profit should be triggered. This is something that I am expecting. For the take profit too, it will be a little bit hard because we should see a bearish breakout on the weekly time frame in order to see the price moving even more down. So we will see what happens. But if you move the price above a little bit where this week has been reached, there is a potential that the price could reach this area with a wick and trigger and then return back up. So this is why I would move this take profit to here and a little bit take profit above, just to be on the safe side, because when the price is reaching a support level, many sellers will exit their trades before the price reaches this target. So potentially moving a little bit take profit above could be a very good decision. So this is something I would do. So everything is pointing that this bad pattern could reach the take profit too, and for the second take profit there is a potential, but we should wait and see how the price behaves around this support level. For the stop loss, if on the daily time frame, I have set to move a little bit up, which means above the monthly resistance level, so it is less likely that we could see, but something can happen on the market and could cancel everything and make this bad pattern, which is a bearish bad pattern, be invalid. So anything can happen, and to be on the safe side, this stop loss should be also placed with a great risk to reward ratio. Because of this, currently where the price is, maybe it is a little bit late, and if you have catch this one before when the price was reaching this potential reversal zone, there is also potential that the price could bounce from this support level, reaching again this area here, which means 0.65, and then entering the trade. So this is something that I would pay attention, and also this for now, as it looks, it is in the downtrend. The potential reversal zone is at the great place, the stop loss is also on the great place, and the first take profit is also on the great place. So I will put this one into weekly analysis, and I will watch how this price behaves next week. I will also inform the next week analysis how this bad pattern is behaving and what would be Is it invalid? Is it successful? Or it is still in the game? So for now, this is all for this weekly analysis. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment inside the Facebook group or below this video. And if you have any bet pattern that you would like to discuss or any other patterns detected by Harmonic Bat Scanner, feel free to share with the community inside the Facebook group. See you next time and happy trading!